friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's time to stop buying mayonnaise from stores. Try this creamy, rich almond mayo. This mayo is a great vegan mayo alternative. Let's make the simple, healthy mayo. To a blender, add almond flour. You could use any nut flour to make this mayo. Add water. Turmeric powder. This is optional. Add roasted garlic powder. Do you want to know how to make our famous homemade roasted garlic powder? Well, click the suggested video that pops up. Salt. Some fresh lemon juice. Cover and blend on high speed for 3 minutes. Slowly add avocado oil and blend on high speed for 3 to 4 minutes. If you don't have avocado oil, you could use any oil of your choice. Creamy almond mayo is ready. Creamy, rich vegan mayo made in just 5 minutes flat. Tastes better than store-bought mayo with no eggs. Perfect for sandwiches, potato salad, coleslaw, burgers, or salad dressing. Transfer to a serving bowl. We're going to make a simple almond mayo avocado sandwich. We are using multi-grain bread. Apply creamy almond mayo evenly on both slices. Add sliced tomatoes. Cucumber. Add sliced avocados. Cover with another slice. Cut and enjoy creamy almond mayo avocado sandwich for breakfast to kickstart your day. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!